Now we are in lesson 3. In lesson 3, we are going to learn how to create a simple chart using Chart Wizard, create different types of charts, embed a chart in your worksheet, and create a separate worksheet. We've already created this data. I want us to see how you can, maybe before it was like that, okay? Now you can see you can't see the entire word. So how you do, you just come here, and then when it gives you that like plus sign, you're going to click it, and then you can drag it until it fits well. You can see we have total. So I want us to use the formula to get the total. The first way, it's a long one, so you can come and say is equals, you click that cell, and then you put a plus on your keyboard, and then you select that, you put a plus, you select that plus, and then that. Now you have B, B5, C5, D5, and then E5. But remember, first to start with an is equal sign. If you don't put an is equal sign, it's not going to work, okay? And then you press enter. It's going to give you the total, but that's the wrong way, is it? So the next way is to come here. You just have to press the is equal sign, and then you come and say sum, and then you open the brackets. So you have to put B6 to E6, and then you say okay, yes, like that. So the other way is to come here. So you have to come here, then function, and then since we have already used it, you're supposed to see it. So here it is, and then you say okay. So what am I supposed to add? You come and press that, and then you select the range of cells until there. You press this icon, so it's from B7 to E7, and then you say okay. Now you see, now the rest you can just come here to this plus, and then you drag it downwards so that it can autofill. So the other one, you just come to X, okay, you can just type it in the function here, sum, go, and then there it is, okay. So it's going to select the range here, there, then you press this again, and then you say okay, and then you autofill the total to the left until there. If you want to create a chart, you have to select the area where you want to create the chart. So there it is, and then you come to insert, and then chart, and then you have the chart type, so you can come and see the types we have, okay? So you have the column, you have bar all the way to pyramid, okay? So you have all this, okay? But I want us to use the column. So if you come to the right hand side, you have the chart subtype. So if you click each of the type, you're going to see it has the name down here, stacked column. The other one is called 100% stacked, and this one you have the 3D. So all of them has some name. So if you're given in an exam, so you should know how to check for the name of that chart by clicking on it. So it's a pie chart, and then this one is called an exploded pie. This one exploded pie with 3D visual effects, and so on. So let me use this one, okay? Then you can hold to preview the sample, but we don't want it to look like that. So we're going to go to next, okay? Let's use the countries, and then we go next. So here is where you're going to give the title, Holiday Africa. Holiday South Africa. And then come to the regent, and then you say this is what you call a regent. Say you want it to come to the bottom, okay? And then data labels, show the series name, okay, category name, value, and the percentage, okay? And then you can come back to title and say next, and you can, okay, you can finish. So here it is. So this is a This is an exported pie chart showing the first quarter for these countries, but as you can see, it's squeezed. So if you want to make it bigger, you have to come here and drag it outwards so that you can see it better. So it's showing you percentage, it's showing you the number, okay, and it is showing you the heading. If you want to delete it, you're just going to press delete key. You select the pie chart and press delete key. Now I want to create a bar chart, so I have to select insert chart, and then I come and say this one, and then I come and say next. I think this one looks better. Use rows, and then the title is holidays called Africa. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So you can come and come here, grid. If you want to put the grid lines, you can put them here. The legend, let's say if you want it to come here at the bottom, you can just click there. If you want it to be at the corner, top, right, left, okay, this way you choose. Data labels, if you want it to put the series name, okay, category name, or the value. And then we have the data table. You want it to also put a table, so you can just come here and say show table, okay, down there. Then you say next and then finish. Since it's squeezed, you can enlarge it by dragging it like that. And then we have our chart, which looks like that, a bit big. Let me just squeeze it like that, so that everything can fit, okay. So like that. If you want to create a chart that fits in its own sheet, so you're going to select, okay, like that, and then you're going to press F11 on your keyboard, and it will create a chart by default, and it's going to be on its own sheet, okay, called chart 2. I hope you have understood. So about the chart, it's not that difficult. So you just have to follow the procedure. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope to meet you in the next lesson. Goodbye.